Hello everyone, today I'm unboxing my newly bought Altenew Watercolor set. Yay! It's a 36 color pen set and just launched few days ago. I bought it on a launch day and got this pen case for free as a gift with the set. It's a bill and I got a $5 coupon for my next purchase. $5, no, 5% off. Got my watercolor set, and let me open this one. Oh, there's lots of layer. This is something I love these flowers on the packaging. And I'm just removing this, and here are my watercolors. Oh, let me open this one first. Love this box. I will try to color like this. So now there's one bubble wrap and one more packaging, and here are Altenew watercolor set. Oh my god. Oh, I'm opening. Oh wow. There's a nice like vellum kind of thing, and it's a water brush pen from Altenew. It comes with this set. Let me open. From where? Oops. Like this only. This is, I have so many brushes, and this is gonna be my favorite one because it's from Altenew, of course. And it comes with the set. There are 36 vibrant colors, and all the ink shades. You can see all the ink shades which already Altenew have. And let me keep it aside and let me open the pen case, which come as a gift. And I bought it on a launch day, and that day this offer was going on, so I got this pen case for free with this set. I can use it for mixing my colors or can create new shades in that. Yay! So much excited. I'm just loving this product of Altenew. Soon gonna come with some coloring videos with these colors, so keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so you cannot miss any of my new videos. Thank you, bye bye, and enjoy crafting.